How good, John?
Yeah.
It's Christmas Day, 2018. Glenloch. Oh yeah, I was like glued to the screen last night watching the DJI product,
yeah,
the Spark, the Mavic.
Yes, the Mavic.
Oh my God.
Really good.
What did you fly at DJI?
We did DJI Phantom. That was our.
The Phantom.
Yeah, the first one. That came. Yeah.
We saw a guy flying a Spark over there by the airport or by the lake.
It was a Spark?
Yes. And we saw a video, a guy took a distance test. He sent it out almost 2 miles in Hawaii, and it came back and it landed within inches of where it took off from.
It's supposed to, you can GPS it.
Yes.
Location.
Wi-Fi connection. Well, this one, it's got a little altimeter in it, so like it won't fall beyond what I have it right now. But I can tilt it forward, and it won't drop.
Yeah.
So I can focus more on the camera.
Yeah.
Oh, that's unbelievable. So right now you can see the trash can.
Yeah.
If I want to snap a picture.
Nice.
So it's paired to your camera too? Right.
No, I'm just filming him filming that.
Let's got a picture. Get Mom. Say hey, Mom.
Dad, show me.
Let's have some fun. There's the horizon. How high was it? It'll go pretty high, but I try not to go much higher. That's to get out of the race. I haven't been too brave. Yeah. You know, and some of them,
You should just come back.
some of them have like return home.
Yeah. And I'll just come back.
Those come back.
Early now.
So we'll snap that. Bam. Or a picture of the soccer game. Let's see if I can adjust the camera. See the wind blowing me around?
Yeah.
Oh, is that what's happening?
Yeah. With the models that have the GPS in it, you can park it up there and be 10-mile-an-hour winds and it won't go anywhere. It's crazy.
See, look, now I got the camera kind of down. See, we can see the basketball game. Or the skaters.
Yeah.
What's the price range on these?
I got this thing for like 179 bucks,
Wow.
which is awesome.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
Like you get into some of these
You're 2.5 minutes, John.
DJI things,
Yeah.
and they're like so expensive.
And you're at about 3.5 minutes now, John.
We saw them at the fireworks. It was 4th of July.
Oh, yeah.
Flying around over the lake and going up and taking pictures of the fireworks.
That would be awesome.
It was cool. It was over here. It was we sat there and watched, and I said,
It's weird.
there's
Like
4 or
once I
5
get
of them.
close to the ground, it won't let me touch it.
I couldn't believe the range on them.
I know. That's what blows my mind.
I think like 20 miles an hour. And it's got different modes, different speed modes. Right now it's in the slow setting.
Just over 4 minutes.
But I learned a good lesson yesterday. If you want to do a coordinated turn,
Yeah.
so all these things are pretty much the same. And on your left hand, you got throttle and yaw. I learned a good lesson for turns. When for $10 your thumbs are connected together with a stick and you push them both to the right at the same time.
Yeah.
And you do kind of a coordinated turn.
Yeah, 5 minutes, John. Yeah, that's smooth. Now this drone here isn't real good about telling you about low battery, and the little camera underneath there is on a gimbal and it'll fold itself up when you land it.
When it gets close
If
to
your
5
battery
minutes,
power is too low, we found out it doesn't fold up. That's cool, John. 5.5 minutes. Why isn't that camera folding up? Oh, there it goes.
Yeah, I was going to say.
There it
What's
goes.
when was
Well, you
how
can-
am I supposed to go up?
You can
Just
press
go
the landing button when it's anywhere within like 5-10 feet.
Yeah.
But the closer you can get to the ground and hit the landing button.
This video should be a lot smoother. Minute and a half.
Hey, Dad.
It's 2.5 minutes.
Wave.
Hey.
Hey.
Four minutes, John. Four and a half minutes.
Coming in.
5 minutes. Man, that was great.
You know, it's so cool is the little camera goes, I go,